Hey, good morning, YouTube. So today we got the RX-7 pulled out of the shop. I got my buddy Kevin coming by in his '94 Toyota Supra. He's got a set of NA headers he wants thrown on, and I believe a couple other Supra buddies are coming by as well. So once he gets here, we'll get started, and the other Supras do show up, because it is a 2-hour drive for them. I'll do a walkthrough of their cars as well for you guys to see. And yeah, he texted me he's about 20 minutes out, so he should be here soon.